There's 6 bolts here, so we'll be unbolting those, and inside is just a self-installing kind of like a like a little grommet. So we just got to punch all those out and get those back installed. So that should just take a minute. So here's kind of the before. And then in addition to that, we'll be switching out just for the season, replacing our headlight bulbs. So we'll be showing you that too. And then to get started on the windshield, you're just going to be needing your Allen keys, and we're going to find out what size here momentarily. Looks like a number 4. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and put our windshield down. Let's get started unscrewing. One. I'm going to be doing these just in order, just so it doesn't, put any stress on this fairing. Okay. Okay, almost there. One more. Kind of feels like the sword in the stone. I don't know why, it's a windshield, but let's see, almost there. Okay, we are free. We'll put our Allen key down. Let's go ahead and gently remove this. Sweet. That looks pretty cool. I'd leave it like this, but honestly, I think there's a lot of electrical connections in there, and you kind of need the windshield. But here's both of them. So we have the clear and the tinted, of course. So drop a comment. Which one do you like? Do you like the tinted? Do you like the clear? I think we're definitely going with clear. There's tinted. There's clear. I feel like I'm at the eye doctor. All right. Oh, I forgot the worst part. The worst part is these grommets. So we got to get those grommets out first. I just wanted to check with our dash and see if we got anything that's loose. Yeah. Okay, so it's super loose. Screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna start taking these little plugs out, which is always a real pain. They just kind of pop out. There's one. Two. Okay, one more. There we go. Okay, so all the grommets have been removed. Now we're ready to go to the clear one. There we go. There's one. The worst part is getting them back in. Wow. Yeah, there's one. 5 more to go. Just 2. Two more. This is actually going faster than I thought. 2 more. Yeah, the trick to these is you go from the bottom up. One more. Perfect. Okay, I think I actually did that in record time. So totally good. Just give it a little bit of light. All right. So now we can place this back in here. Yeah, so how's that look? I think it looks pretty good. Let's get our Number 4, got our number 4 back here. Let's just do the reverse, and then we'll move on to the headlights. Here's your first one. Second one, man, this is looking good. Whoops. Okay. Now we're really getting there. Last one. Now you just want these screws to be, you know, kind of just thumb tight. Nothing crazy. There you go. There's the swap from the tinted to the clear. I think this looks great. Let's go ahead and bring you guys over. Check this out. There's the clear. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Let's do a little. How does that look? Sweet. That looks great. Let's go ahead and move on to the headlights. After that, we'll just do the tire pressure real quick. Okay. What is it? I think it's also a number 4. To get to the headlights, we'll just be removing these two side quarter panels, and that's just simply 2 bolts per side. There's one. Oh, wait. Cool. I actually just realized it's 1 bolt per side. Let's just put this bad boy back in there. And these will just kind of pop out like so. I just realized I had a battery tender right here, so I'm just routing it in an accessible location. Right there, it's perfect. Great. We'll clip that off in a bit. Now, okay, we'll bring you guys over. Now to get to your headlights, they're just right here. We're just going to twist and pull out. Let's turn this and kind of make some room for ourselves. Twist and pull out. There we go. Now there's a tab here that we hit. I'm going to put y'all down because I need a screwdriver. Okay, so the tab will just pop and they'll come right out. I forgot which side is which, so let's just check real quick. Actually forgot which bulb. You're gonna laugh. Forgot which one is high bulb. Oh, there it is. Okay, I remembered. So if you're basically on the bike, the H9 bulb is on the left. Okay. Let's do the same thing to the other side. That's just gonna pop up. Up and out. Let's see. There it goes. Now same thing. We're gonna make some room for ourselves. And these are just, I'm just twisting. They're gonna pop out. Okay, and then I'm looking at the right side of the bike. This is the H11. Great. Let's get this bad boy back in here so it's watertight. There we go. All good. Done. Windshield replaced, both headlights replaced. Now we're going to check the tire pressure. Just gonna reinsert these Allen bolts into the fairings. Okay. I want to make sure these bolts are tight so they don't come out while you're riding. We are done. Well, no, we got to check the tire pressure. I just got to clip that zip tie. Cool. So yeah, what we've done, that actually went way quicker than I thought. Replaced the windshield to clear, tightened our speedometer housing, found our battery tender outlet and relocated that to a place that I can actually use it, and replaced both headlight bulbs. Well, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that, found it helpful, or calming. Like and comment if there's any questions. I'm just packing up real quick. And then last, we're going to check the tire pressure. Here's our tire pressure. Front should be 36 and the rear should be 42. We're going to do 2 down from that. 34 front and then 40 rear, just because it's still pretty cold out here. Very cold, actually. Okay, this front one was at 31. I'm going to bump this up.